Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm literally so excited for today's video that I literally just don't even want to film this intro. I just want to get into literally trying on these outfits. So let me explain. A company called LikeBunny reached out to me, which can we just that is the cutest title ever. So I have never actually heard of this website before, and then when they reached out to me, they're like, hey, can we send you these clothes? I was like, yes, please. Plus they're literally the cutest things in the entire world and I'm literally so excited. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So we're gonna look at the green one first. So, oh my word, so cute. Literally guys, so funny. It says, shortest horror story ever, sold out. Buy now, cry later. Oh my word, it comes with a bookmark. This is a literal attached bookmark. This fabric is really soft. I really like this. They're all size smalls, by the way. I'm pretty sure they only have small through extra large, so I wasn't able to order extra small, which is usually my size. It looks small enough for the waist, and the bum looks small, so I'm thinking it's gonna fit me. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, enough talking. Let's see what it looks like on. Guys, these leggings felt like butter when I was putting them on. I was sliding them on and I was like, I 10 out of 10 am in love with this. This fits me, guys. This fits me. It's a small. I am extra small, and on Fabletics website, I believe I am extra small. So the fact that this small fits me just shows you how websites have crazy different sizes. So you want to have somebody being able to try them on like this. You can zip it all the way up like that, or you can have it a wee bit down so you can breathe a little bit better. I don't know. I'm literally obsessed. Next, what we're gonna look at is this black and white two-piece set. This has pads in it. Ooh, the pads are really squishy. Oh, it's so satisfying. So I usually don't wear pads in the sports bra, so I'll try it on with the pads and then without the pads, because I know some of you do wear pads and I just don't. So, oh my gosh, I'm literally so excited. We'll have to see if this passes the squat test, if it's not see-through or not. I mean, I'm not gonna squat on camera because would Jesus squat on camera? No. In one of my last videos, I said something about how, would Jesus show his bra? No, so neither should you. And I was just being funny, but everyone in the comments was like, I'm dying. Anyways, oh my gosh, why do people let me be a YouTuber? Let's see what this looks like on. Here it is. So guys, first of all, I tried to try it on with the pads. Super sorry, it doesn't work. I really love, I need to sneeze, hold on. God bless me. I feel like this top doesn't really flatter me. I have to sneeze again. Oh my goodness, God bless me. Okay, what I was trying to say was without these pads, I look like a size B or A, when in reality I'm a size D. Just to let you guys know that if you have a small chest, this should flatter really well, because obviously having the pads in will make it look much better. But it fits me so well. The last outfit I didn't show you guys, but the ankle comes down so low. So I'm 5'4". So if anybody decided to order these clothes, that is 10 out of 10, because I know a lot of times people will order leggings and they'll just be at a really awkward spot. They won't be all the way down or whatever. So really love that. These pants are actually a little bit looser than the last ones, which I'm not mad about. They're so cute. So the only thing is, I wish that this sports bra kind of came out a little bit farther, a half an inch to an inch out farther. Then I would feel much more confident about it. And then I might actually put pads in there. I'd put my own pads. Those ones were just really squishy, which I try to look more petite. I like having a smaller chest, but this one makes me look crazy small, where you guys are probably there's no way, Tabitha, that you have a D. But that's fine. Something that's for sure with this whole top is that it has me safe. I am sucked in. Oh my gosh, it already looks so beautiful. I love this color. Same thing, the pads are really squishy. Guys, I wish you could tell how squishy they are. I'm gonna take one out so you can see. Can you tell how squishy that is? Oh my stinking word, I just love the pad. This bra's gonna look a little lopsided now because I took one out, but oh guys, it's so pretty. I love these little strings in the background. So I'm somebody who's always kind of stayed away from the excess strings, but this is really nice because it's very simple. So it gives that nice little touch of here's a little detail, here's a little excitement, than just a plain sports bra. Guys, oh my word, the bottom part has a cute detail on it. It has the little cutout type thing where the fabric goes around itself. Okay, I don't even want to talk anymore. Let's see what this looks like on. I am so happy! So I guess the last one, I can fit size small. It just needs to come out to a part where I feel confidently safe and secure. And so this one definitely does. It is so beautiful. I am in love with the top. I love this. Like if you see the back part, see how it's kind of open right there? So pretty. I love this. I'm so excited to go to work tomorrow. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. I feel like this one I just don't have as much to say about because it's just so cute that like it speaks for itself. I feel like I'm just ready to go work out right now and I don't even work out. Like being cute, like when you wear certain clothes, I realize at least in my life, I feel more ready to do things that I wouldn't necessarily be ready to do. So like if you're somebody that's shy, like dressing up and feeling like cute and something that you love will help you be more confident or feel like you could be more confident. Thanks for sticking it out to the end with me. You're the real MVP. Before you click out of this video, I want to just tell you guys, we are going to be launching merch. I always say we when it's literally just me on this channel and obviously Jesus because we love Jesus, but I am going to launch as soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers. So my goal is to hit that by December. So guys, we have October, November, December. Guys, we have 3 months. We gotta jump on this bandwagon. So if you like what we do here, consider subscribing. Also, if you enjoyed this video, giving it a thumbs up really helps my videos do well in the algorithm on YouTube. So I always appreciate all of you who do that. Bye guys!